When we are talking about topwater predators, the asp deserves special attention because this fish in our latitudes is the most wanted for topwater anglers. But however, this fish really can exhaust your mental health because it can explode just in front of you, hunting for small fish, for bleaks or minnows, but absolutely ignore your lures. And today I'm going to show you one trick how to be successful in asp fishing. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert living now in Prague, Czech Republic. Welcome to my channel and let's get it. I'm going to show you now one very useful device which will help us to catch some asps. I hope today will be successful. And this device is this little chair. You know what is the most dangerous predator for fish? Of course, human. And if you stay low under the horizon, you know, fish is not so spooky and cautious like before. So we will sit just right over there in front of these riffles and wait for our asp to come and bite. I will stay in front of these riffles which you can see behind me. Very shallow water, but it doesn't matter because even big fish like that comes here for hunting for minnows and bleaks. So I will wait for a while until the environment will get quiet and make my first cast. So guys, sometimes it just happens like that. You lose your targeted fish, your dream fish after a few minutes of fight. Whew, I hope the next one will be hooked a little bit better, in a better way. So guys, let me tell you a few words about tackle, fishing tackle I use. Among all other topwater lures, I do prefer walkers because of the body shape. I can cast them quite far away, and poppers are good, but you cannot move so fast popper on the water surface, and you cannot cast so enough far popper. So I would prefer walker. I would recommend you some walkers. There are a lot of different walkers. Very important is just size, shape, and color. Remember, same as in fly fishing, size, shape, and color are the most important. And the tackle is quite common. Nothing special. I will leave in the description detailed overview of my fishing tackle. However, what is the most important? It's a quite thin line, braided line, and fluorocarbon. Yes, it's a main line. I use a braided line because it's not like a spring. You can have a very good contact with your lure, but fluorocarbon tippet is very important because fish, as I told you before, ASP has very good sight and can see anything under the surface or close to the surface. That's why like 3 feet or even 4 feet fluorocarbon leader I would definitely recommend. The diameter is up to you, however it shouldn't be too thick. So I will move to a different spot. It's getting quite hot right now. I will try one more spot and then get back here tomorrow morning a little bit earlier than today. So guys, the next time you will go fishing, don't forget to bring your chair because it will help you to catch even more fish than your colleagues. So see you in a while. For me tomorrow morning, for you maybe less than 1 minute. So tight lines, all the best and be blessed. Alright, I'm back here early in the morning, and here's the asp. Finally, very nice bite in front of the camera. Beautiful fish.